Yes, I know my hair looks like Kramer from Seinfeld, but let me show you my full teeth routine. How to keep your whites pearly white. First thing you gotta do is floss. And I don't like wrapping those things around my finger till my fingertips turn purple. So I use one of these suckers and I bite down on it. There you go. In between every crevice. The next step is you gotta brush your teeth, and I recommend you get an electric toothbrush. I have a video review on my electric toothbrush in my YouTube channel, link in the bio. It is very important to brush all three sides or surfaces around your teeth. The outside, the biting surface, and the inside, the lingual side. Don't forget to brush your tongue and roof of your mouth. After you brush your teeth, it's good to use some mouthwash too. I like to use Oracare. There's a part 1 and a part 2. I put 2 pumps of the first one, 2 pumps of the second one, let it mix a little bit, and swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds. After you finish doing that, I get a pea size of this MI paste, put it on the tip of my finger, rub it all over all of my tooth surfaces, let it sit for about 3-4 minutes, and then I spit it out. I don't rinse after I use this.